day to all of you. Today we will discuss the topic models of speciation. So speciation is the process of formation of new species from the existing population, and it is an evolutionary process that resulted in a natural selection. The new species are reproductively isolated from the previous species, that is, a new species cannot mate with the old species. So types of species may be the allopatric, sympatric, peripatric, and the parapatric. The type of species which caused by the geographical isolation known as the allopatric speciation, and the species which have evolved from the surviving ancestral species and have the same geographical area known as the sympatric speciation. So peripatric, peri means to near. So this is a type of allopatric speciation in which a new species is formed from an isolated peripheral population, and the parapatric means beside. This is a type of allopatric speciation in which the species are not formed by a physical barrier. Besides each other, they cause an extreme change in their habit, and in this, the new species are formed from a continuously distributed population. Models of speciation are often classified according to how much the geographic separation of a incipient species and can contribute to reduced gene flow. Here is a figure of types of species, that is allopatric, parapatric, peripatric, and the sympatric. So allopatric speciation refers to the emergence of a new species when a population is geographically isolated from its ancestor. So a particular population may be geographically separated due to the extrinsic barrier such as the land topography occurred by earthquakes, desert, mountains, swamps, and ice fields. So after the separation, small population may contain different allele frequencies since they undergo founder effect. Thus the natural selection and genetic drift act differently upon the two populations. Here is the original population, and there is a formation of the geographical barrier, then it forms the reproductive isolation, and then it leads to the speciation. Here is the difference between the allopatric speciation and the sympatric speciation. So allopatric speciation refers to the physical isolation of a biological population, while the sympatric evolution of a new species from a single ancestral species while living in the same habitat. So example of the allopatric speciation include the Darwin finches and squirrels in the Grand Canyon. Example of the sympatric population is the cultivated wheat, corn, tobacco, and African tilapia. So factors affecting speciation: the geographical isolation, the hybridization. So hybridization is the artificial method of developing a new species, and in animal husbandry, two parents from different species are mated to form a third species, and it has numerous impacts on the process of speciation. Example of the hybridization may be the labroid, formed from the male zebra and the female donkey, and liger, hybridization between the male lion and the female tiger. The scientific name of the male lion is the Panthera leo, and the tiger is the Panthera tigris, and male zebra is the Icus quagga, and the female donkey is the Icus asinus. So this is all about the speciation and its types. Thank you.